Hello guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in lecture number first. Today's we are going to start our new series which is CSS3, or in simple words we are talking about the advanced CSS. So as you know, I am Shahzad and I have more than 7-year experience in web development, also especially in PHP and other kind of framework like Laravel, like CodeIgniter. I am also expert in front-end frameworks like Bootstrap, Foundations and some other kind of frameworks, and we have created thousands of tutorials and also more than 65-17 courses available on internet. So in this series we are going to cover some basics and fundamentals of the CSS3. That means we are going to cover the border radius or the rounded corners. How can you create, how can you manage the corners. We will discuss about the border images. How can you add the border images? We are also going to discuss about the colors. How can you use them? Gradients, and we will discuss about the shadows, text effects, and also 2D, 3D animations, some transitions, some animations, and also tooltips, image reflections, object positions, object fit, buttons, paginations, and some other kind of stuff like media QDs. So I hope you will enjoy this series, and we are going to cover a lot of things in this series. So which tools we are going to follow? This is the first question you have to ask yourself. So I always use the PHP Storm for the web development. If you are working on some other kind of IDEs like Sublime, like Notepad++, or any kind of text editor, you can also select that one. But I always use the PHP Storm. So as you can see, this is the PHP Storm. While I'm recording this lecture, the version of the PHP Storm is 2021.2 EAP. So I'm updating this one, so where you can get these tools. So I'm saying, so this is the JetBrains tool. This is the official website of the JetBrains where you can download this tool. So make sure they are offering a lot of tools and they are providing the best tools for the development. You have to purchase this IDE, but if you are a student or you are a teacher or a faculty member, you can also get your free license for 1 year. They are also offering the 1 month free trial. Okay, now as you can see, this is the official homepage of the JetBrains. So they are saying essential tool for software development and team. Okay, so yes, I agree. So these are the tools, JavaScript, .NET. Oh, okay, go to the developer tools, and here as you can see, this is the PHP Storm. If you click on the PHP Storm, so now as you can see, the lightweight smart PHP IDE. Okay, so they are offering the 13 days free trial. You can just click on the download button to download this particular IDE. Okay, why you have to use or select the PHP Storm? So now as you can see, they are giving a lot of reasons that why you have to choose or you are selecting the PHP Storm. Okay, as you can see, there is a Composer, MySQL, Git. So a lot of things available if you are using the PHP Storm. So this, as you can see, is a fast and safe refactoring, easy debugging and testing, and a lot of reasons available. You can also read the entire documentations if you want to use. Just click on the download button. So here as you can see, they are saying if you are a Windows user, I have Windows 10, so that's why I have to download the Windows version. If you are using the Mac, you can also download the Mac version. If you are using the Linux, you can also use the Linux version. So as you can see, this is, you can also download PHP Storm is also available as a snap package. You can also download this one by typing sudo snap install PHP Storm classic. Okay, I'm using the Windows, so I'm just going to click this one. So you have to provide the email, first name, last name, and just click on the form. Okay, now as you can see, it's about to download. I'm saying I'm going to download this one. Fine, it's now downloading the IDE. I have already downloaded the PHP storm, and also I have already installed the PHP storm. So as you can see, this is the PHP storm. So you can also download and install the PHP storm in your systems, then you are ready to go. So this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to continue with some basics examples of the CSS. So I hope guys you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss update. So thank you for watching.